Okay, so hello, I'm going to explain you how to use the forum. So thank you for seeing my channel. So let's begin. So for example, here you switch to video forum, and we have an official forum, a community forum, and a personal forum. So the idea is that you upload a video, or you can rate a video. For example, I'm going to rate this video. So I can, for example, like this or dislike. Also, I can like the comment or dislike. I'm gonna like the comment, and I can also add my own comment. For example, I want to so here you publish the comment, sending for approval. You can only comment once per this document. So for example, I'm gonna go enter again, and okay, so I already sent a comment, so I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna approve it. I already approve it. Let me approve the comment. Okay, let me approve it. So it is approved. So if I enter again, how to build a solar cell. So I can dislike it or like it, and it will be saved, and I can see the other comments. I can, for example, dislike this comment. So this is the idea of the official forum. This forum is maintained by Crow Academy. There is a community forum. There will be a fusion of the official and the personal forum. So you can, for example, create your forum. For example, I currently have these two posts. You can enter the video to see later. Save your favorite videos on solar energy. So I'm gonna go back and back, and I'm gonna create a new. For example, I'm gonna create one about panel installation. Okay, so let me create a panel installation. So tags solar renewal. Well, you need to separate by comma all you here paste the YouTube URL, and the subthread is renewable. So click on publish, and if I go back and I refresh, here I have panel installation. So I can add a comment, personal comment, and we will check if this can be integrated into the community forum. You can like your comment, you can auto like because it's your personal forum. So this personal forum and this official will merge with the best, and we will create a community forum. We will make a triangle. So thanks for seeing this video, and I appreciate your help. So thank you.